Last video we saw third sum. Now we are going to see fourth sum. Represent each of the given relation by A. An arrow diagram, B. A graph, and C. A set in roster form wherever possible. X comma y such that x equal to 2y, x belongs to 2, 3, 4, 5, y belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4. So the given x value and y value, the given conditions also, we should substitute here x value and we are going to find y value. It is comes under in this y or not, we are going to check first. So now first one, write solution. In the solution, x equal to 2y. When? What is x value they given here? First value 2. So substitute 2 in this equation. 2 equal to 2y. So 2, here multiplication, if you are bringing this side, it will become division. So strike out 2 by 2, you will get the answer 1. So here you write 2 comma 1. Next one, when you are putting x equal to 3. So 3 equal to 2y, 3 by 2 equal to y. So we can't do anything here. So write as such 3 comma 3 by 2. And next, when x equal to 4, 4 equal to 2y, 4 bring this side divided by 2 equal to y. So if you are cancelling in 2 table, so 2 times 4, then 4 comma 2. Next, what they given here? 5. So 5. X equal to 5. So 5 equal to 2y. So 5 by 2 equal to y. So 5 by 5 comma 2. Now that's all. Now first one, what they given here? Arrow diagram. Arrow diagram. So what is the x element they given? 2, 3, 4, 5. What is y element they given here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So relation now. If you are putting 2, it will map with 1. So map. 2 is mapped with 1. And next, if you are putting 3, you will get the answer 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is not in y session. 4 means it mapped with 2. So 4 mapped with 2. If you are putting 5, it mapped with 5 comma 5, but in y term 5 comma 2 is not there. So leave it. Now graph. You know very well, in normal classwork itself, we can draw a graph. So first take scale and draw graph lines like this. Here this is x axis and this is x dash and this is y dash. Now here you know very well, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to 5 you just take. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also you take up to 5. Here you just mark it. What are the numbers? We can mark 2 comma 1 is possible. In x axis 2, y axis 1. So here 2 comma 1 is possible. Next one is 4 comma 2. 4 in x axis, 2 in y axis. So 4 comma 2 is possible. So leave it. This is graph. Next, what they given here? Last one is roster form. How we can write in roster form? What are the relationships is possible? 2 comma 1 and 4 comma 2 is only mapped. So we can write it as in the form of roster form. So that's all. First fourth one, first sum over. Fourth one, second sum we will see in next video. Thank you.